Hello, my furry shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far because we are back shopping at HomeGoods. I have not been in HomeGoods for a while, and the reason is because the Halloween items are here, and I had to say a prayer to help me be strong, not buy everything I see, because I know I have enough Halloween items. Now, I'm going to clear some out, so I'm going to donate some so I can get a few new pieces, but there are some fun pieces, so let's get started. The pumpkins. Now, the faces, they're a little scary for me, but I think at the same time, they are adorable, very unique. How much are these? $20. They always love to have the price like right underneath of it, so I can't lift up everything for the price, but that does give you an idea that the pumpkin is a little bit on the pricier side. Now, some of these pieces we have seen in the prior years. Now, this is really interesting. It's almost like a little house. It was about, what, $90 I think I saw. And then over here we have, like, is it a vampire or is it Frankenstein? Maybe a little bit of both, but it's like a candy dish. And then over here, the ghosts with the bows in their hair. Now, I have something really similar that I got from Amazon, and those are about $50 for the set of two. And you can see there's just so much to take in. And then we have kind of like a forest theme. We have, looks like a little witch hat with some mushrooms. The skulls have mushrooms. So these are really interesting. Let me see which one I want to pick up. Because again, we know the price is at the bottom. Now this is kind of cute. The ghost swinging on a branch. And this is about $15. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, the ghost with the kitty. Okay, that was really cute. Very interesting pieces. That one is $17. And then we see like the hat with the spider. Let me see if we can find a price on there. Oh, hey, there we go. Okay, that was about $35. It seems about right because I have seen some specialty Halloween stores and oh wow, they get so expensive. And then over here we have our scarecrow with the pumpkin, and that was about $30. And then over here, if you're looking for something very cute for the fall, we have buffalo, we have the glass pumpkins. Okay, that one is $9. Okay, see, that's a good price. And then we have turkeys. We have an acorn right here for $8. And then we have a hedgehog. Oh, that is super cute. How much is this hedgehog? Let's see if we grab the price. Okay, that one is $10. Ooh, I like that pumpkin. I don't even want to know. You know that pumpkin's got to be $100 at least. So, and you know the price is at the bottom. I can't even get there. Now, over here, I like these simple fall flowers in the wicker basket. Oh, that was $130. Okay, that was a little bit on the pricey side. And as speaking of pumpkins, we've got a nice little variety over here. Oh, these are tall. Okay, so the hats. Oh, that's a fancy hat. That was $30. Okay, those are sold separately. And then the pumpkins are kind of cute. Are they like pumpkin stools? But speaking of pumpkins, look how pretty this one is. Oh, that is gorgeous. How much is that one? Oh, there's no price. Okay, there's another one. $17. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, these are cute. Especially if you have little kids like toddlers. That would be fun. My daughter would have loved that when she was little. And then we have a great selection of ghosts. And then we have more pumpkins. And some of the pieces, they do look modern. Some look vintage. And then we have a great collection of the Headless Horseman. Now that is one of my husband's favorite Halloween characters from Sleepy Hollow. More ghosts and pumpkins. So that one is about $30. Very interesting. And there's more down over here. See, that one's holding the pumpkin head. And if you ask my husband, he would tell you that's more authentic. The Headless Horseman was always carrying the pumpkin with one hand and then a sword in another. And we have Medusa. Now here is a vintage piece. This one right here. Well, it's not vintage, but it looks vintage. And that one's about $17. Super cute. And then we have our kitty mummy. Okay, that's adorable. Ooh, this pumpkin's pretty. Very lightweight. Ooh, I like the lace. And that one is $13. And another thing is that they pile so much. I always have to be extra careful. Oh, this is cute. Oh, that would look great in the kitchen. Oh, of course, I immediately looked underneath because that's normally where the price is, but it's right here. Very convenient. $13. Ooh, there's some more pieces over here. There is just so much. And there's something for everyone. If you like scary Halloween or cutesy Halloween, they have everything. Anything you could think of. Even Sesame Street Halloween. $30. We have the Cookie Monster. We have Elmo. Okay, the ghost with the bow. Okay, that is cute. And that one is $9. See, some of the items are a little overpriced, and some of them are really a reasonable price. Now, this right here, this beautiful, it's like a coffee witch, I guess, but it's the whole shelf. I mean, she has her cup of coffee. She has her lollipop. She's $200. And here's the good part. That would actually fit on my coffee bar. I love the purple dress. Now, the items, of course, on the shelves are not included, like this mug, $6 each. But wow, what a great display. Okay, I do like the Nightmare Before Christmas. I love the teacup with the saucer. That is cute. That's $10. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah. Oh, don't drop it, Gina. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna keep looking. Oh, I like this one too. See, I don't have a Halloween tea set. And that one is $7. Ooh, I think I'm gonna get this one too. So I think I'm gonna get two of each. Oh, I like this one. The pumpkin. It's purple with roses. That one is $6. Oh, this one's really cute with the bats. That one is $8. And we know when it comes to mugs, there's no shortage here at HomeGoods. So I got my little collection right there. And if you are a fan of Hocus Pocus, $8. Oh, here's a Nightmare Before Christmas with Ray Dunn for $8. The Haunted Hound. Although that is $0. Oh, that is cute. But I don't need any mugs. I just got the little sets with the saucers. Oh, this was adorable too. Oh, this is just, I really have to use all my strength. $8. I'm good. I don't need any of these. The Pumpkin King. Oh my goodness. That was $8 too. Oh, that is so adorable. And then if you're a fan of the Peanuts, that one is cute. $8. Okay. I'm admiring all of them. I'm not going to get any mugs. I got the ones in the basket. But wow, if you need some, yeah, definitely come here. Oh, these dishes are beautiful. They're haunted and gorgeous. Oh, wow. So the bowl, $6 each. Oh, that's really pretty. And I would want a full set. Oh, here's another one. $6 for the Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, I love the gold handle. I like the trim on top. And then we found more mugs. There's so many more. Oh my goodness, how cute is the ghost with the kitty? Oh, that is cute. That was $6. Wow. So I just like to admire them. But if you're looking for any mug gifts, yeah. I mean, look at that one. Oh, that one. I love that handle. $6. Wow. And it's painted by hand. Oh my goodness. And every time I turn around, there's just more and more. Check out the Jack Skeleton. Oh, what do we have here? What is this teapot? And it's saying my name. Oh my goodness, this one's cute too. Okay, that one is $25. Okay, that's for Blue Sky. But see this one? Oh my goodness, this is just too much. I mean, it's just too much cuteness. $15. Oh my goodness, it's a good price too. I'm picturing a lovely like Halloween tea party. Oh, how adorable is the ghost? I believe that's Joanna Parker. Then we have, of course, Disney. We have the Disney pumpkin. We have the Disney villains, the canister in the back. Okay, that canister is $25. Super cute. Someone's going to pick that up right away. And then for your coffee, now this is from Ray Dunn. That one is $10. Oh, that is cute. Oh, there are some fun items. And I know the Ray Dunn is not as popular as it used to be, but there's so many pieces. But I think they're still fun, especially during the holidays, like during Halloween and during Christmas. Oh, this is a fun little set. It's like a teapot. You have your mug on top as well. That one is $17. See, I love these vintage pieces. Oh, that one is so cute. Oh, here's the mug. Oh, that mug is adorable. $6, that's it? Okay, I like these bowls. For a charcuterie board, $7. Yeah, that's going in the cart. I know, I'm still thinking about that teapot. Oh, and I love these soaps. So $8. Those are sold at Amazon. They're about $20 each. So here at HomeGoods, yeah, if you like those soaps, pick them up at HomeGoods. They do get picked over pretty fast. So we have Halloween. We have, of course, just pumpkins, you know, just for fall. And it's the same price of $8. But they smell great. And there are some really cute ones. I think I may pick myself up a couple before they get picked over. Now, here's something I have seen at Costco before. And it's a set of 4. Now at Costco, they're about $10 to $12. So here, $17. And with soap, it doesn't expire. So you could pick them up and use them a year from now and they'll still be fine. Now, if you're looking for table runners, oh, there's some cute ones. There's so many different ones. But see, I need new hand towels for my guest bathroom. Okay, that one is cute. So it's a set of 2 for about $15. Oh, I like this one. I like the bow on the little web on top. Oh, there's some really cute ones. Oh, this is a big decision. Okay, I think I'm going to get this one. That was really adorable. Now, if you're looking for hand towels, they have some really good selections. Oh, this was really cute. Oh, it's super soft. And I always have a set. They hang on my oven door, and everyone knows the towels on the oven door do not mess with because those are decorative only. Now it's a set of 3 for $13, but don't worry, I'll have other ones by the sink that everyone can use. The salt and pepper shaker, this is $5. Oh, that is cute. And we know one of my weaknesses is tablecloths. And there is a sort of good collection. I think they're just now coming out. This is cute. This is a round one, so I need 70 inches round. And then for my big table, 60 by 104 inches. Now, this is 100% cotton, so you do want to kind of be mindful they will shrink if they're in the dryer. Ooh, I like this one. Just kind of goes right on top, and that one is $25. And that one is 90 inches round. And here's another one. Again, 100% cotton. So you definitely would be mindful that they will shrink up a bit. But there's some cute ones. I'm not going to pick up any today, but I'll definitely keep my eye out. And you know, I'll be back soon. I mean, look at all the different pieces. Again, any Halloween style that you want, you will find it here. Dinosaurs. There's a dinosaur head right there. Oh my goodness, and how cute is the artwork? I do kind of like these pieces. It's like these classic photos, and then there's a simple ghost in there, or a spider. The spider's a little spooky. I'm not a fan of spiders. That one is $15. And I did just order one recently. I got mine from Amazon because it was a ghost with a little kitty cat. See, that was really cute, $15. Oh, I like the small ones. Oh, there's a couple of different ones. Oh, that was cute too. Oh, $13. Oh, you can set these on tabletops. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, look how gorgeous this is with the cobwebs. That was $17. Oh, I like that one. It's a pen board. Oh, that's so cool that they have them for Halloween. Oh, here's another one for $17. Oh, those are so cool. And then look at the frames. Oh, I have a friend who would love this gold heart. And for $6, oh, that's not a bad price. Oh, that would make a fun gift. I may have to pick that one up. But I'm going to take a couple photos. Oh, these are so cool. And those are just perfect if you want them out for Halloween. I have a couple like that, especially with my daughter and her little Halloween costumes. But see, if you're getting ready for Thanksgiving, now these tend to get picked over really fast. So $15 is a salt and pepper shaker. I mean, I know you see a lot of them, but it's amazing how much gets sold out really quick at HomeGoods. But every day they do bring in new merchandise, and that's what's so fun about shopping here. We got butter dishes, we got mugs, and salt and pepper shakers. Oh, these are so fun. And there's just so much. And here's my haul today. I thought I did really good because there were some really cute pieces out there. And I'm so excited about these hand towels. I can't wait to put them out probably towards the end of next month. But everyone, we will be back soon. Thank you so much again for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.